Hello all, this is Matthew Berry with the Funky Kit doing another unboxing of another product that I'm going to be writing a review on. This product is from Gamdias. I tested or reviewed and tested a few of their other products, a headset and oh, what was the other thing? Headset and a mouse. So far everything's been really nice. I really have enjoyed testing their products out. I'm looking forward to testing a mechanical keyboard from this. This is supposed to be the Hermes Lite mechanical keyboard. You can see I really wish they would pack these in a little bit tighter, but we'll see. But most of the time when you get it, there's no visual damage. But you know, some of those guys who work in the FedEx and UPS industry, uh, they tend to be a little careless with stuff that ain't theirs. Nice little packing inside here. Does look like this box here looks pretty solid, looks nice. It don't look like it was damaged at all. Let me get this out of the way here, guys. Here's the keyboard. As you can see here, that they went with their black and white color scheme that Gamdias has, with the Gamdias and Hermes Lite written right over here. The logo's over here. Gives you some of the features here on the left side. Here's a view of the keyboard itself. Gamdias logo's down here in the right hand corner. You can get and zoom in on that. Okay. On the bottom here, you have Hermes Gamdias written over here on the left hand side with a list of specifications right here. A couple other overview pictures, and I'll get some close-up pictures of that whenever with the written review. Anyways, of the keyboard itself. On the right hand side, you have a Gamdias logo. Over here on the left hand side, you also have a Gamdias logo. On the back here, you have Hermes written across again, mechanical keyboard, and then you have a list of the features that come along with it, with this like Gamdias certified, 2 programmable macro keys, built-in memory, 6 profiles, and it's backlit. The backlit is only red in color, so it doesn't have the rainbow effect or anything like that. Test row keyboard, the Excalibur that I reviewed. Anyways, we'll cut this here off. Try to do it without cutting myself. Sorry guys, give me a second here. These sticky things can be a pain. I want to cut through my box. Alright. You just pull this little flap up here, raise this out, and there's the keyboard. Looks fairly tight inside here. Looks like they packed it nice and tight. I really kind of like that. Wasn't rumbling around. Anyways, you got this little protective covering over it. We'll slide that off. We'll get a good view of this keyboard here. Looks like underneath is where the cord goes, and they have a quick install guide right here with some Gamdias logo stickers. Looks like that's about it there, guys. I'm going to get this pulled through, so get it out of my way. This off to the side. Like I said, guys, I'll have a nice little close-up pictures of all this stuff so you can be able to get a better view of it and with my written review. Anyways, the keyboard's all black, fairly small, feels solid, nice, got some heavy weight to it. The keys feel really nice. I won't be able to tell you how good it types or anything right now until I get started on testing it and writing the review out. But that's basically it. You got Hermes Lite written up here at the top with the Hermes logo and the Gamdias logo here at the bottom. No extra gaming keys, it don't seem like. I don't notice any. On the back you have Hermes with the model number and a barcode. Does have some feet on it to raise it up and put it at a little bit of angle. That's 4 rubbers here on the bottom and the feet are also rubbered, so it should not slide around on your desk. So anyways, this is the keyboard from Gamdias, the Hermes mechanical gaming keyboard. Sorry, the Hermes Lite gaming mechanical keyboard. Um, Please tune in on the review and take a read on it, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you.